So hi everybody, we're going to show you how to make mango and strawberry mousse. Yeah, so tasty. That's what I'm talking about. Super duper good. Hi everybody, today we're going to show you how to make mango mousse. We're going to make two kinds of these cups. So now we're going to dunk our mangoes into the blender. Now let's start the blender. It's a tornado! So now we're gonna put in the strawberries into the blender so it will make it super smooth. Now our wet cream is done, but we just made two strawberry and mango, so we have to separate, not mix them together. We'll just like it. So now we're gonna put in some condensed milk. So don't mix too hard, just put it over like this. So now we're gonna put in our blue juice. You don't want too much. Yeah, you don't want to spill that. What if your mom gets mad? But it's turning pink.
Wow, looks so yummy. Look that color.
I think I have. What color? Pink. No, because you can do any fruit. Any. So now we're gonna pour it into glass for my mom, my dad, and my sister. I think make sure. No, that's
谢谢。
Yeah, it's time to eat. Yeah, strawberry mousse. Mousse. That's what I'm talking about. Super duper good. Do you want to come here? I want you to try some because I love you. Thank you for watching.